Welcome back to my channel. How are you kids? What should I draw today? Who will tell me? Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Today I draw stars for you. This is very easy drawing. The stars is also get by the teacher if you do the work well. Now tell me who takes the stars from the teacher. I get a lot of stars from my teacher. I also got the stars in the assessment. Do you got the stars in the assessments? Do you like stars? Wow, these stars look so beautiful and awesome. This is so easy drawing. Can you draw this at your home? I like coloring, so I coloring these stars. Do you get the stars from your teacher? If you get the stars, then you will be a good child. Wow, that's drawing so beautiful and awesome. I enjoy a lot. It's beautiful. Different colors look so beautiful in the stars. I like different colors like the rainbow. Which is your favorite color? My favorite color is yellow and pink. Pink and yellow color looks so beautiful in these stars. Our drawing is ready.